Today we're going to make a new car. I have a old RC car which was broken, both receiver and remote control didn't work. I have a case from another old RC car that I figured out matches perfectly to this car. So we'll attach this case to this chassis, and then we have two electronic speed controllers, a receiver, cables to connect the electronic speed controls to one battery, the battery, and the remote control. Two units were bought separately. The remote control with a receiver were bought separately. The batteries was bought separately. So all these components were not related to each other, and we'll bring everything together now, and we'll make this RC car run very fast. Unfortunately, I don't have the battery that I was initially planning to use. It got over discharged and I'm waiting for another one. But today the idea is to show how you can bring different parts together and make a totally new car and enjoy a fast running car by using different technologies. In my previous videos I explained how this electronic speed controllers work and what logic will be applied in this RC car. Check the links in the video description to see what it's all about, and let's start putting these things together.